What is up, agri traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my trading channel. Today I want to teach you guys how to become a profitable trader while it's using this easy and simple strategy to follow right away. You should be profitable once you start getting comfortable with using this strategy. So we're going to take a look at how this strategy operates, the settings, the conditions, the risk, and everything that you need for you to become a profitable trader when you're using this strategy. I'll try and be simplify this strategy for you as much as I can so that you don't have to crack your head while it's thinking about how to use this strategy, right? I'm going to simplify it to the last so that even a beginner trader can actually learn and understand how to use this strategy. So this is what we want to take a look into, see how best we can trade these currencies together and hopefully become profitable throughout the trading journey. You can also check out my previous videos so that you find the correct strategy that perfectly suits your trading style, right? I'm sure we all have different trading styles, and that's why we have so many strategies right here on this platform so that they can fit into your trading style so you can have the perfect trading journey. Okay, so before we start, I'm giving away 30 days of free signals to those who subscribe, like, and comment down below. So all you can do is subscribe and turn on the notification bell on so that you are notified each and every time I post videos like this right here on this platform. And you can like this video, comment down below what you think or what you have learned in this video, and I'll be able to add you to our VIP signals group for both indices and currencies for free for 30 days. Okay, you'll be able to get those signals via WhatsApp. So all you need to do is send me a screenshot as proof on my WhatsApp number. You'll be able to get my WhatsApp number from the Telegram channel in the description box below. I'll leave the link to the Telegram channel in the description box below. But that's where you'll be able to send me proof that you have subscribed, you have liked this video, and you have commented down below. And I'll be able to add you for free for 30 days. So make sure you claim that one, and let's get into today's business. So this is how the strategy looks like. It looks like there's a lot of work going on, but trust me, it's not that bad. It's not that difficult. You can do it, and you can make some money during the process as well. Okay, so with this strategy, I really prefer using the 5-minute time frame because I sort of like want to use this strategy as a scalping strategy. I don't really want to swing trade with this strategy, but you can try it out on your own and see if it works on swing trading. I really like scalping it, trading it for a very few, maybe being in an entry or in a position for a few hours, minutes most of the time. I don't really like to swing trade with this strategy because it doesn't really have the attributes that I need for a swing trade, like knowing the trend, the direction, the momentum doesn't really show me all that. So I really prefer using it for scalps. That's why we're going to be using the 5-minute time frame. So right now we're on Euro USD, and we're going to actually analyze it together and see the opportunities that we had when if we were using this strategy. Okay, but as usual, I'll do the step-by-step process of installing it with you, which means I'm going to remove all the indicators that you saw on the screen, and you can do a step-by-step process of installing the settings, and then we're going to move to the conditions. All right, so the first indicator that we want to install is called the Bollinger Bands, and it is going to have our default settings. The Bollinger Band is going to have our default settings, which means that we're going to have a period of 20, a deviation of 2.00, a shift of 0, apply to close, and then the styling, I chose this blue, dark blue color. I hope it'll be visible for everyone. So this is our first indicator, and I'm going to click done, and as you can see, we now have those Bollinger Bands running across our charts. Okay, the next indicator I want to install is the famous relative strength index, or the RSI, and it is going to have the following properties that you see on my screen. basically a period of 1, apply to close. The color, we want it to be blended in with the background, so I chose the background color, which is white for my case. If you have a black background, maybe you can choose black. Okay, and then on the star on the levels, sorry, we just passed our styles. On the levels, we're gonna need level 90, level 80, level 50, level 10, and level 20. That's all the levels you are going to need for this strategy. Okay, then you can click done, and it should have something like this the first time you install the RSI. Basically, it should be blank inside. We're just showing you the levels 80 and 90 and the 51, and of course level 10 and 20. Okay, adding on to that, we want to add a MACD, and we want that MACD to fall under our indicator window 1, right? So I'm going to go to indicator window 1, and we're going to look for the MACD, which is right here, and it is going to have the following properties: a fast EMA of 12, a slow EMA of 26, a MACD SMA of 9, apply to close, and then the styling for this MACD, our main is going to have the black color, and then our signal we have the red color. And then I'm going to click on that, and you should have something like that on your charts. Okay, the next indicator we want to install, again, we want it to fall under our indicator window 1, and it is going to be the Ichimoku. And this Ichimoku is going to have the following properties that you see on my screen. So basically, it's going to have a Tenkan Sen of 9, a Kijun Sen of 9, a span P of 52. The fill has to be turned on, so make sure you tick that box or you enable it. And then on the styling, the Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen should just have those green colors, and then the remaining will have the same color as your background, such that if you click on that, you just see that green line only on your charts and nothing else. Last but not least, we want to add another indicator under our indicator window 1, and this time it is going to be a moving average with the following parameters: a period of 4, a shift of 0, a method of simple, apply to close, and then the color, I chose that purple color. You can pick any color of your choice, and then I'm going to click on done. And now this means that we have successfully installed our strategy, and what's left is knowing when to buy and knowing when to sell. Okay, now this strategy really uses very simple principles, some support and resistance, just that's all, which means that for our buy trades, we would want to first see our candlesticks approaching our lower Bollinger Band, right? So this is the lower Bollinger Band, I'll label it low. This is the middle Bollinger Band, I'll label it M, and that's the upper Bollinger Band, I'll label it U. So once we see our price approaching or so close to our low, we'll take this as our support, right? And we're going to go to our indicator window 1 and look for when all our lines have reached our buy zone, which is level 20 and below. And once we see these two, we have got an entry, right? This means that we will have an entry, and that's a buy entry. And as you can see, price pushed all the way up, right? Let's look for another buy opportunity. Okay, here we can see that our candlesticks are now really close to our lower band, which means that we had support. Then coming to our indicator window 1, we can see that price are meeting at our lower level, which we said our buy zone, which then qualifies us to enter into a buy trade like that. Okay, I think I really have explained enough on buy. Let's take a look at the sell trades, which is basically the opposite. We want to see candlesticks on our upper Bollinger Band now, and we want to see lines meeting on our upper levels. That's the 80 level going upwards, and we know that once we see all that, we are going to sell in the market, right? Can you see that these moves are really big? These are big moves, right? These are really big moves. So right now we're actually waiting for the market to open so that we can sell this thing. Why? Because okay, when the market opens, we're going to see if our candlesticks can reach our upper Bollinger Band there. If they can, we already see that we are in an 80 level, right? Yeah. So wait and see how the market is going to behave and what it's going to give us. Like I said, you can use this on all pairs that have the US dollar, because that's what I've tried and tested this on. All pairs that have the US dollar, you can use this strategy. So I hope you guys really practice this first on the demo accounts before moving on to your real accounts so that you can trade profitably. Until next time.